go back to the monitor, look around your status. What will happen now? My product, where is the trying to move that? See, just I'm trying to refresh. Now, it is suggesting to move to the VAS work center. See, now you are moved staging to decon. Decon all your performed unpacking and packing. System is proposing to me VAS work center for me. VAS work center. See, this is what 2 products as of now here, and it is asking to propose to move VAS work center. So both are where status shows empty. That means you need to move that. So the warehouse operator, you move the both handling unit to the VAS work center. Okay, confirm in the background. That means you are moving to the product VAS work center. Now, if you look at the status, if you look at this where handling units are there lying, always, you can always check this one. Already here. Okay, I can always show here one more time where you can see status of. Same monitor, using monitor. Monitor is one of the central warehouse tool where you can check status. So I can always check this status. Okay. For example, 3829, maybe if you want to check both, you can always check even both one. I can always see the movements also. See, I can always track, see the current one, even I can see physical stock also. We'll discuss what is physical stock. See, as of now, it shows a stock F1. Remember, any stock with before confirming the final racks, the stock type will be F1. That is months. F1 means it is a receiving on dock only. Okay. So, the status where is lying. I can see several ways. Not only this approach, even I can see documents. I can always use a warehouse task to monitor my handling units. Okay. So now system is proposing me to go to the VAS work center to perform certain activities. So I'm going to create one more. I'm logging into the VAS work center now. So to log into the VAS, we have VAS EXEC. Okay, to log into the VAS work center. So there is again here also physical location work center. To log into the work center. We will discuss how to set up VAS. What do you mean a VAS order? There are several things, but assuming that how you can perform all these activities. Okay, sorry, it is not coming. There is a bug in the system actually. So just I will correct that things. What happened is as soon as you create a delivery, okay, it creates a VAS order. But there is a step also there because where should go there. Okay? But in the work center, it's missing here. So I can always update here, but in real time may not happen, but only in a best practice system, we have this issue. Okay. So here, the VAS where should go, there is a work center you have to set up here. So this is a missing. Okay. Even this one also, we have 2 products. Step is there, a VAS step is there, but the only thing is work center is missing here. Sorry, I need to change it. As I said, only this issue in a demo system, but best practice system, not in a real time. Okay. So this work center is missing here. I'm coming back. So back to our VAS work center. Now, if I say this, it works now. See the VAS activities, you can see that. I just said VAS VAS is a very big topic. Don't worry too much that. Assuming that VAS is a real time, you can do the repacking. You can even label it. Even you can hit to stock. There are several options we have. We can perform all these activities in a value-added service. Okay. As I said, remember system physical. In real time VAS, who is going to do? There is a warehouse clerk is going to do that. Not even warehouse operator. That means we have 2 people, one guy warehouse operator, you do physically some activities. One warehouse clerk means is above warehouse operator. So he perform these one in the system and physical. So now if I do VAS activity, I have a provision to do that. Okay, I'm going to add the label. Okay, starting. See, there is a status become a B now. If I say end variance, become a C. That is a VAS activity is completed. Same thing here also. another product, because I have a two product, DCO1, DCO2, and there are two handling 29, 30. So I'm trying to do now repacking here. That's what I'm trying to do then. Okay, so I'm doing this is as of now A activity. That means just double click on this. Double click on the gear symbol VAS activity. You can see that there is a status here. Not yet start, be in process, completed, so on so. That means when my warehouse operator is doing repacking, then I will say it's a start. Okay, when he performs that activity, then I can say that if you don't have any variance, no issues, then I will say that end, the process is completed. So system says that the VAS activity is completed. So remember, VAS is not a simple topic. It's not a simple topic. A lot of configuration is there, so much detailed there. And also there is the pack specs required to what is the package specification, how to define package specs. There's so much big topic, but we will discuss, going further. Okay, but as of now, assume that we have repacked here in a VAS work center. Okay. As I said, even you have done here, if you go back to see the status always, you always track the status, am I right? The delivery status. So who is going to monitor the delivery? The warehouse supervisor. He checks every time what is happening here. See, as of now is the weight B only. Then you already completed VAS. As of now is the stock lying at the VAS work center. You have done it to VAS work center, VAS activities, but still system is showing B is a waiting. B means the waiting. A means a cancelled, B is a waiting, C means confirm, nothing is there open. Okay, as of now, B is a waiting. Though you completed value added service, VAS activity, but still is there. So as I said, you need to tell the system saying that you have closed, you have repacked, or whatever you have done it. So same thing here. So complete process step. Remember, in RFEI, we don't have a provision called VAS work center like the consolidation center. In a real time, maybe if a business says that, hey, can you include VAS work center in RFEI? That is again different ball game, where you do that complete from the scratch. Then you have to develop functional specs, so much. You need to understand the business requirement. What are the impacts it will happen because of changes, impact assessment, writing a functional specs, and talking the ABAPers to implement these things. These are VAS, we don't have as of now RFEI. It is there in the GUI only. In a real time, even warehouse clerk does in a GUI, or else in a use free applications. Okay, so these are the announcements. In case if they want to implement VAS, this is just example I'm telling you. Okay, and also they want to adjust the quantity. They realize that the quantity you receive is some quantity, but you received here different. Then how I can differentiate? How I can adjust the quantity? So that's what the happy process we are doing now. There are so many unhappy process in real time. That's where we will learn it. We will do that. We'll try to simulate as many real scenarios once we implement the SAP a happy process. Happy process means simplified process. Okay. As I said, you need to close this HU saying that you have completed this task so that it opens the warehouse task. Okay. Both activities completed now. Okay. Finally, if you go back to see, if you refresh it, okay, see both become empty now. That means, see now even handling is updated. Storage right now, VAS work center, and there are two products. One is a DCO1, DCO2, handling 29 and 30, and at the work center, where it is moving here. From these things to, it is going to the wide aisle pick phase. System is already proposing bin based on the put away control indicators. There is a storage type search sequence rules under the determination procedure. So under this one also, system is proposing to the finally wide aisle pick phase and wide aisle reserve. That's what we discussed, right? So now, if I confirm it, as we discussed, I'm going to finally my warehouse layout where I'm there. Okay. See, after VAS, one HU is moving to the wide aisle reserve. Another product is moving to the hierarchy. Okay. You unload it. You move to deconsolidation, then become a two products. You both moved here. Okay. Now you are finally put away. You are doing here. Okay. That's what I say, unloading, deconsolidation, value-added service. All these steps, you can perform using process-oriented storage control in a simplified way. Okay, final way, I'm going to confirm the system. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm nearly there to finish this. I can confirm both one time. Okay. So system is going this way.